case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1983, a notable case of contested land ownership landed before the Louisiana Court of Appeal, Mire versus Crowe. The dispute brought into focus an important principle of law. If someone wishes to maintain possession of a given property, it would be incumbent upon them to prove an uninterrupted possession and that they had not lost possession prior to being legally challenged. With this caveat in place, a duel over property boundary began in earnest in the rural area of Tammany Parish. In 1968, Karl Mire purchased a triangular tract of land from Levi Crowe. He built a fence around it, effectively demarcating its boundaries. But with time, complications arose. Crowe accused Mire of a territorial transgression, that he was essentially trespassing on a portion of the land that he claimed was still within his rights. Mire repudiated the allegations, asserting that his long-held possession should serve to validate his rights to the land much more emphatically. The initial judgment sided with Mire, but Crowe, undeterred, appealed the decision. Mire had substantiated his ownership by surveying the land and maintaining fences round the clock. Yet the point of contention centered rather on the question of entitlement, whether he should rightfully continue owning the disputed area of the land. The determining verdict was ultimately in favor of Mire. The court affirmed his right to keep the contested property. Mire's assertions were backed by more than evidence of property upkeep. He had enjoyed uninterrupted possession for over 14 years and quickly instituted a possessory action following Crowe's claims. Therefore, the court upheld the original decision, deciding not just possession of the land, but also the ownership of it were rightfully Mire's. The final blow? Crowe was left to pay for all legal costs.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class